In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make $120 every single day using Google. I hope you guys are excited for this video because you could literally make a full-time income with the method that I'm going to be teaching you guys today. So drop a like if you are excited. I'm going to get into it right now. Okay everyone, so we're going to start things off here on my computer, and I do want to set some expectations right at the beginning before I actually get into how you can get started with this method. So number one, this is a pretty simple method of making money online. A lot of the videos I've been making recently show really simple methods, and this is no different. It does require work, but it's not that complicated at all. It's not rocket science. The way I'm teaching today, it's really easy to start. So it's also free to get started with this. You don't need any money. You don't need $100. You don't need $1,000. You can actually get started with this for free, so that's really awesome. Not all the making money methods, don't require any capital, and this is one of them that you can actually get started with for free. There's also no experience needed to actually get started with this. Number four, you can work from home, and that's something really awesome with this method and a lot of the other making money online videos I have made in the past is that you can actually work from home. You don't need to go into an office. You really don't have a boss with this method, and you can choose how much you work per week and per day. So obviously how much you work depends on how much you make, but it's pretty cool that you can kind of pick your own hours with this method. So you can work 100 hours a week, or you can work 10 hours a week. You can have some good side income, or you can do this full time. Depending on how much effort you want to put into it, that's how much you'll make. So that's really awesome about this method. So now that I've kind of set some expectations with making $120 per day with Google, I am going to get into the method that you are going to be using to make $120 a day using Google. So what we are going to be doing is we are going to be utilizing some websites to actually do work from home jobs in exchange for pay. And these websites are pretty high paying. I'm going to show you guys two in today's video. One pays about $15 an hour and one pays like $9 to $15 an hour. They're both really good websites. People are making full-time incomes from home with these websites. So I'm actually going to show you guys how to get started making money online and making $120 a day using Google right now. So the first website we're going to be talking about today is this website called Apon, and you can sign up for a variety of different work from home jobs to make money. And this includes some jobs doing micro tasks, some jobs doing like language type jobs, and a job as a rater. I'm going to get into all of these in a second, kind of explaining what each of these jobs entail. But just keep in mind, if you don't really think any of these jobs are for you, I am going to be showing you guys a different website later in today's video where there will be some more options. So be sure to make it to the end. So we're over here on the Apon website. You can literally just look up Apon careers on Google and this will pop up. So it's really easy to get to, and you can see here that the three different types of work from home jobs are listed. There's also an option for corporate jobs, but obviously this is a making money online video, so we're not going to look at corporate jobs today. So we're going to be looking at rater first. So this is a flexible, part-time, home-based work that requires a computer and or a mobile device. Obviously, that doesn't tell you much, so we're going to click over here to apply to get some more information. So you can see here are some examples of the opportunities that may be available. So number one, search media evaluation. So you're going to be doing a couple of different things. You're just going to be, looking at websites, doing some surveys, kind of rating different things. That's probably what I'm guessing. And obviously you can read more about this here. You're probably going to be going to, a couple of different sites, kind of giving your mind about them, and you're going to be getting paid $9 to $15 per hour as a rater. And the reason I know that is I looked it up before making today's video because I wanted to show you guys how much money you're actually going to get paid for this work. So you can really apply it pretty simply. It's worldwide, so you can just kind of select your country, and it's going to ask you some questions, and you'll probably be applied. So we're back here to the home page, and I do want to quickly go over language jobs and micro tasks. I did read into these a little bit. With micro tasks, you're just doing small little tasks that can really be anything that take under an hour. So it's just a bunch of random different tasks that you're going to be paid $9 to $15 an hour for, which is really not bad. It's about like an average job, right? So it's not bad at all. You're just doing these super simple tasks from home, and they're going to be paying you, $9 to $15 an hour. With language jobs, it's a little bit more specific. You're going to be using your voice. You're going to be using, talking, and you're going to get paid for that. And you're also going to be getting paid to like transcribe, different audios. So guys, if being a rater or doing language jobs or micro tasks sounds interesting for you, you should go ahead and join the website Apon and start doing some of these jobs. Obviously, some of them may be interesting, some of them may be a little bit more boring, but I'm sure that, you'll find some sort of jobs on this website that you'll actually enjoy, especially micro tasks, because they seem to be switching it up a lot, and you'll probably be doing a little bit of rating, you'll probably be doing a little bit of language jobs, you'll probably be doing, a couple of different tasks, so it kind of switches things up. So personally, I would probably get paid to do micro tasks, and I looked up how much you're getting paid on average, and it's at $9 to $15 an hour, but from like the reviews, most people were getting paid between $12 and $14 an hour on Apon. So the next website we're going to be taking a look at is this website by the name of Lionsbridge. Lionsbridge is a really similar website to Apon in terms of pay, but they do have a couple of different jobs available that you guys might be more interested in. And I also looked how much you get paid for this website, and it said about $15 an hour. So I'm guessing the pay is pretty similar to Apon. You might actually be getting paid a little bit higher, because I didn't really see people getting paid lower than $15 an hour. It just seemed that everyone was getting paid about $15 an hour to work for Lionsbridge as either a tester, a translator, or an interpreter. I'm going to be getting into what each of these jobs entail, just like I did with the jobs on Apon. So we're going to be going over here to Lionsbridge, and I found this website by literally going on Google and going and typing in Lionsbridge testing services. Now that we're on the website, we're going to go over here to join our team, and we're going to scroll down, and you can see here that you can do a couple of different jobs with Lionsbridge. So there's testers, raters, and curators, and this job entails calling all home-based workers and university students. So I'm guessing this position requires you to kind of be on the phone talking to people. So if you're interested in something like that, I definitely recommend maybe looking more into this job over here on Lionsbridge. With Lionsbridge, you can also be a translator, and this is basically where you lend them your voice, you do some speaking parts, and they use these voice clips for something. I'm really not sure what they use them for, but you do get paid like $15 an hour just to talk. So that seems pretty simple. You probably definitely want to look more into this, but if you're interested in just getting paid to talk or doing some sort of speaking role, I definitely suggest looking more into this position. And the last position they have available is interpreters. So they need your expertise in like different languages. So if you're bilingual, this will definitely be a good job for you. Or I believe you could maybe even use Google Translate to do this job. I'm not sure, but I definitely look more into this job regardless. So those are some really cool opportunities they have on Lionsbridge. They get paid $15 an hour on Lionsbridge to do work. So this could definitely be a great platform for someone looking to make some extra money or someone looking to do full-time work. So now that I've gone into the idea of doing home-based work on both Apon and Lionsbridge, I do want to go over how much money you can actually make from this. So if you're making $15 an hour and you're working 40 hours per week, that's about $600 per week doing this and $2,600 per month. So that's actually really not bad money for just doing really simple jobs on both Apon and Lionsbridge. And if you were doing this every single month full time, you would make $31,200 in a year, which is really not a bad salary. That's about how much money a lot of people who get out of college make, in like their first year. So not bad money whatsoever. And this is really good for people who want to either make some side income or people who want to do this full time. And it's especially good for side income, in my opinion. So if you want to do this 10 hours a week, that's $150 extra every single week to either invest, pay down debt, or take a nice vacation. So this is a really good option for people who want side money, or college students who are looking for a job over the summer that they can kind of, do on the road while they travel or while they're in different places, and they won't have to worry about like a regular 9-to-5 job where they'll have to, take vacations and not get paid. And this is also good for people, like moms and dads, like especially if you have kids and you want to stay home. This is a great option for you to make some money while you're home, taking care of your kid. Okay guys, with that all being said, I think that about wraps up today's video. I hope you guys got a lot of excellent information from this video. If you did, please be sure to drop a like and let me know in the comment section down below. And also check out more videos on the Financial Wolf channel. Peace out.